All right, folks, HF activity group here for Saturday, the 7th of September. And Jerry from Ireland is loud. Mexico is loud. And actually, that's all I'm hearing right now. I just got on. It's 1933 Zulu.
Certainly give it a go. That's amazing your signal there. Well, bareback was 7300 in the vertical. You're touching 20 dB or 9 on that last over. Let us see, Victor Alpha 3, Papa Golf Tango. Graham and Milton, Ontario. Any copy, Graham? He's working.
Wow. The band is just incredible here. Well, not hearing any of the US or here in Canada. I'm not hearing Graham and Milton.
Graham, you're about 33 in Ireland, Graham.
Jerry owes me a new
anyone else
speaker.
copy, Graham? Thanks, you're California and Ireland. That's a quite a stretch for stations. Thanks for putting a copy out, Graham. Always good to work into your balcony. Let us see, King 6, Queen Alpha Zulu, Stephen in California. If you can hear me, Steve, put your call out.
Yeah, Jerry's loud.
Stephen, you're about 57 in Ireland, Stephen. Yeah, you certainly are. You've done well. There are lots of stations come back. Let us see,
It's a cobweb for the win.
King Golf 5, we got a Whiskey Baker. Kent, any copy?
Yeah, already tuned.
Yeah, he's working, bud.
Mind you, the cobweb does not have to be tuned.
Kent, you're about 44 in Ireland. Kent, how did you do? How many stations did you hear, Kent?
So there's not many stations on 12.
Well, in Maine, a couple of hours, you did okay. Let's see down to Saskatchewan. David, I know I have a copy on you. I actually put you on the list. VE5XL. Your turn, David.
Yeah. Yeah, I only have a path into Ireland. To the east right now, Europe.
You've got a 57 in Ireland, Dave. Cheers. You're actually 59 plus when you come back that second time, David. Doing good there. Always nice to work in the your part of the world. Let us see, we're going to try Maine. November 1, Yankee Fox Alpha. Hamilton. Any copy, Hamilton? Are you working?
Archie in New Hampshire's next. I doubt I'm going to hear Archie. And then Ray in Illinois, and then myself. But I'm not hearing anybody. Just Jerry in Ireland. That's all I'm hearing. All right. I think Bud, I don't know if Bud gave Archie a call, but I'm not hearing anybody else right now.
Archie is 32 in Ireland also. Light copy, Archie.
All right, ID time, so we'll see who else we hear here.
This is Echo India 9, Julie Uniform in Ireland for ID.
Victor Echo 3, France, America, London, Thunder Bay, Ontario.
Real got you 57 in Ireland. Victor Echo 3, Fox Alpha Lima. You're a big signal into Ireland this evening, Fred. It's your turn.
All right, thanks a lot, Jerry. Yeah, you are a solid 10 over 9 here in the Thunder Bay, and you are the only one that I am hearing here this afternoon here on 12 meters, but we'll give it a go. Hello, CQHF Activity Group. CQHF Activity Group. Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima, Fred in Thunder Bay, 100 watts to a cobweb antenna at 25 feet. Who is hearing me this afternoon?
Roger, yeah. Well, I love the copy in Ireland. You've about 5 dBs and 9. I'm surprised no other stations are hearing you, Fred. Over.
Yeah, no, you're the only one that I'm hearing. I can't even hear Uncle Bud there. I'm not hearing anyone else, Jerry, but man, you've got a fantastic signal. So back to you, VE3FAL.
Cheers, Fred. Nice to hear you again. It's been a while since we spoke. Let us see, down to Arizona, Kilo 7 Alpha Echo Romeo. Anthony in Arizona, any copy?
All right, folks. Thanks for watching. 7-3, stay safe. And remember, watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. In Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT, this is Fred, VE3FAL. 7-3, folks. Take care.